In preparation for the centenary of Kolkata Province, the first Salesian Province in India established in 1926, a Don Bosco Mission Seminar is being held in Salesian College Sonada, Darjeeling from October 9 to 12. A large number of alumni are participating in the seminar. The three-day national seminar, christened Rejuvenating the Mission, 100 Years of Salesians in Kolkata, shared with the Vicar General of Darjeeling Diocese, Father Victor George Fernandes, presiding over a solemn Eucharistic celebration in the college chapel. The inaugural session had the presence of Kolkata Salesian Provincial Fr Dr. Joseph Pauria, the college principal, the college rectors of both campuses of Siliguri and Sonada, a bishop and an archbishop, both alumni of Salesian College Sonada, established in 1938. The seminar coordinator and Salesian College Siliguri rector, Father Dr. Tommy Augustine, delivered the introductory words. Meanwhile, the rector of Sonada, Father Johnny Negugat, welcomed the participants. Salesian Provincial of Kolkata, Father Dr. Joseph Pauria, in his opening remarks, gave a brief history of Kolkata Province, mentioning illustrious pioneers. Around 120 participants, most of whom are Sonada alumni, including 60-plus Salesian students and resource persons, were present for the seminar. While alumnus batch of 1976, Bishop George Pali Parambil of Mayo gave the keynote address, former Dean of Students at Salesian College, Archbishop Emeritus Thomas Menam Parampil of Guwahati, gave the presidential address. The solemn inaugural function ended with concluding remarks by Father Dr. Babu Joseph, the principal of both campuses. The college choir rendered the centenary anthem composed by Salesian Father Jacob Irupakatu, an alumnus based in Kolkata.
Dear Bishop, as you celebrate the golden years of your yes to God as a Salesian, we are proud of the fact that you are one of the illustrious alumni of Salesian College Sonada. Dear fathers, sisters, brothers and friends, please welcome Right Reverend Bishop George Pali Parambil, SDB Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of
Racing Against Time. And I have some paper here. I am going to read it so that I may not look at you. And you are free to use the free Wi-Fi that is available. My congratulations to the organizers of the mission seminar. With the diversification of the missionary presences and activities according to the need of the times and places, may have given the impression that we have digressed from the real mission. But the human service and the total transformation